This is Ed Thompson from Thompson Roof Cleaning and Power Washing, and I want to talk about how not to clean a roof. And what this gadget here is a surface cleaner, and we use surface cleaners to clean cement. And cement is a pretty tough product that can usually handle high pressure water. It's a very porous material. This is where an instrument like this comes in handy. And the way it works, if you see on the bottom of this machine here, there are little nozzles on these arms, and these are the same things as those little colored pressure washing nozzles that hook up to a pressure washing wand. And the way this works is the hose from the pressure washer hooks up to the end there, and as the high pressure water comes through and blasts out of these nozzles, being that they're on an angle, it propels this bar to spin. And it actually spins pretty fast once you have a good volume of water coming through. And that's how it's designed to move. And now some roof cleaning companies will use this gadget on a roof, and it'll hook up to a pressure washer, and that's the process that they use. Now, if you or you know anyone who's ever cleaned out gutters before, you'll know that the gutters usually, along with sticks and leaves, will have a high concentration of roofing granules. And those granules are the amount that comes off naturally with just rain and wind. So you could imagine, if they come off that easily with just rain and wind, what high pressure cleaning will do, even low pressure. Now, a lot of companies will tell you that, oh, it's okay, it's a very low pressure, it's safe for the roof. Again, you cannot dispute the fact that even a roof that's never been washed will have a gutter full of roofing granules. If you're unsure, or you want to be sure of the pressure that's being used, this gadget here is a pressure gauge, and the way this can be hooked up is this can actually be hooked up in line to a pressure washer. And this particular unit happens to have a bar on it that can be walked as you're with the wheels as you're cleaning cement. But a lot of roof cleaning companies, they'll stand at the top of the roof and they'll actually lower this down from a hose. This gauge here can be hooked up. It can be either hooked up here, it latches on there, and then the hose hooks to this. And then as the water is flowing through, you can see what the pressure reading is. This can actually be hooked up at this source of the pressure washer, because I understand you're not going to go up on the roof with your roof cleaning contractor to see what the gauge is. So this is not the recommended instrument for cleaning a roof. But if somebody does happen to talk you into using a surface cleaner, I strongly suggest checking the pressure that they're using, and check with your manufacturer of your roofing shingle and ask them if that is an acceptable pressure to be cleaning your roof.